Morning students, welcome to Saint Claret online classes. Children, in the previous class we learned about introduction about quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equation? A polynomial ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal 0, b and c are constants. If it is equal to 0, that means ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is called a quadratic equation. So every quadratic equation has two solutions or two roots. So how to find the roots? We already have the Sridharacharya method to find roots of the quadratic equation. So that the roots are nothing but what, children? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here one time plus one time minus we consider, we got x value minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a and x equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay children, here look at the board and identify the value under the root. What is that value? B square minus 4ac. So here b square minus 4ac, let it be a constant. Okay children, the constant may be greater than 0 or the constant may be less than 0 or the constant may be equal to 0. So all whole numbers are constants, all natural numbers are constants, all integers also constant. A constant means what? A symbol which have fixed numerical value is called constants. That's why this total, let it be take one number. The number may be greater than 0, a number may be less than 0, or number may be equal to 0. So three possibilities are there. Okay children. So now we can find nature of the roots based on this constant. Okay children. If in case b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then what happened? See children, b square minus 4ac value greater than 0. Then what you got it? X equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a and x equal to minus b square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now what happened? We got two roots, okay, and the roots are different. That means what you are observing? Roots are real and different. When it is possible children, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So then what happened? We got two roots. The roots are real numbers and roots also different. Then we see another condition. If b square minus 4ac in case equal to 0, then what happens children? B square equal to 4ac. Okay children, b equal to what children? Square root of 4ac. Okay, so like that also you can find b value. So this is the way to find b value. But our assumption is if b square minus 4ac in case 0, then what happened? X equal to minus b plus 0 by 2a and x equal to minus b minus 0 by 2a. Take this one, minus b by 2a and x equal to minus b by 2a. What you are observing here children? The roots are equal. That means if b square minus 4ac equals 0, the roots are real and equal. Understand children? If b square minus 4ac is 0, then what happened? X equal to minus b by 2a and another x also minus b by 2a. Then what you are observing? roots are real numbers and equal. And also by using this condition, we can find b value also. Okay, children. Next, we see a third condition. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, that means negative. Then what happened? X equal to minus b plus, see children, a negative value by 2a. Then what happened? Roots are not real. Understand children? If b square minus 4 is less than 0 means what? Negative constant. Then what happened? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of negative. Square root of negative numbers are called nothing but what? Imaginary numbers. That means they are not real. So when it is possible b square minus 4 is less than 0, then the roots are not real. That means roots are imaginary. These are the three cases we are observing b square minus 4ac value. So now we already learned b square minus 4ac is called what children? Discriminant. Okay children. So we know that b square minus 4ac is equal to d. That means what? Discriminant. So discriminant generally represented by d. D equal to b square minus 4ac. So based on this d value, we can define nature of the roots. I will draw a table here children. Okay. See here. See all of you. Condition, nature, roots. So first of all, if discriminant greater than 0, the nature of the roots what children? Roots are real and different. So roots, what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay children. Second condition, discriminant equal to 0. The roots are real and equal. So x equal to minus b by 2a. Another value also minus b by 2a. Okay children. If discriminant less than 0, then what happen? Roots are not real. That means roots are what happen children? Imaginary. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here, this is the nature of the roots. When the discriminant greater than 0, roots are real and different. So generally we find the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. If discriminant 0, then what happens children? Roots are real and equal. So formula x equal to minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. Discriminant less than 0, then the roots are not real. So same formula apply. We got here imaginary roots. This is the about nature of the roots. Understood children? Okay. We will see with examples about this nature of the roots. Okay children? So look at the board children. Example. X square plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Find the nature of the roots. Find the nature of the roots. If x square plus 4x plus 4 equals 0, then find the nature of the roots. How to find? So observe clearly about this example. Children, See, x square plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. It is a quadratic equation. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Then what happened, children? A equal to 1, b equal to 4, c equal to 4. So discriminant formula what, children? B square minus 4ac. So substitute here, 4 square minus 4 into a value what? 1 into c value 4. 4 4 so how much, children? 16 minus 4 4 so 16 equal to how much? 0. That means d equals 0. The roots are what, children? Roots are real and equal. Understand? This is the way to find nature of the roots of a given quadratic equation. Or understand? Okay, we'll see one more example. See another example. If x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, children? So find the nature of the roots. So compare x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Then what happens, children? A and x square, a value 1, b value 5, c value 6. Comparing the coefficients, children. X square coefficient is a, x coefficient is b, constant is c. Then discriminant formula what? D equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square means 5 square minus 4 into a into c. 5 5 is how much, children? 25 minus 4 6 24. 25 minus 1 how much? 25 minus 24 how much, children? 1. So 1 is greater than 0. Then what happens, children? Roots are real and different. Are understand, children? So any problem is given, how to find nature of the roots means, first of all take the quadratic equation and comparing the quadratic equation, comparing the coefficients and write the discriminant formula. In the discriminant formula you can substitute the known values and simplify. The final value is greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. You can find out. Based on that value you can decide the roots are real or different. This is the way to find nature of the roots. In this example, the given quadratic equation containing different real roots. Okay, children? Understood? Okay. See with one more example. If x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, children? Then comparing ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 6. So discriminant formula what, children? D equal to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 5 square how much? 25 minus 4 into 1 into c. So 25 minus 24 how much? 1. Here also the roots are real and different. Roots are real and different. Are understood? How to find nature of the roots for given quadratic equation. So I consider the quadratic equation comparing with the general form of the quadratic equation and write the coefficients, a value, b value, c value, and Write the discriminant value d equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values a value, b value, c value. We got the value 1. So 1 is greater than 0. Then the roots are real and different. Understood, children? Is it clear? Okay. So this is the way to find nature of the roots. Understand today class, children? How to find nature of the roots? First of all, find the discriminant. What is the discriminant formula for quadratic equation? D equal to b square minus 4ac. If d value discriminant greater than 0 means what happened? Roots are real and different. Okay, children. Second case, d value less than 0. The roots are not real. Not real. Third one, d equal to 0. Then what happen? Roots are real and equal. These are the three conditions about to find discriminant of a quadratic equation. What is the importance of the discriminant? To find nature of the roots. That means the roots are which type of roots, real or different. So, are understand today class, children? Okay, thank you.